Now that's how all projects should fit together. Hello, this is Noel. I am making a large wood bench. This bench is 15 square feet twice, so each of the top panels is 15 square feet. Plus, there's another 5 feet square feet per shelf below. So I want to show you parts of the model, how it's put together. And Fusion's a little clunky with my setup, so it'll take me time to get everything just right to show you. There are several parts and pieces. It has a lot of workspace, it has a lot of shelving, and it has nice hooks on the back to put wiring. It took me a while to figure what those were for, but I machined them in, and it makes it nice. Channels for wires, and it looks like there's another pocket right here for a wire. Just look at the parts. We have all the legs, and what is of concern is all these joints, and there are approximately 44 of these. And if we go take a look at these really closely, we can see that .708 inches. The other thing are the end legs. These have a pocket right here that's only partially into the material. You have these inner pockets, and then you have these contours. Now I went in and made so I have an end leg and a side leg, and then for the pocket, the small pocket, this setup is for all the island contours. And this setup is for the perimeters. And you can see that I put a couple of tabs in here. I made these blocks for gauging the gap or the slot. I'll try to put a link in the comments on how to make these. But with this sanding block, you can get the spacing on the slot joints just the way you want. I found that the machine with the bit I used made them a little tight, and this is definitely a joint you want to sneak up on. If it's too loose, you're not going to like the way it works. If it's too tight, you're going to have a tough time getting it together. This is just a little too tight right now. And there's 44 of these joints. The little hand belt sander was able to get in these 3/4 inch spaced joints and really make the material nice and smooth. And you could use a gauge block to get in there and see if it would fit. Here I'm testing it, and it's still just a little bit too tight. And if you've ever put one of these things together before, you know that if it's too tight, it's going to be really tough to put together and it will never come apart. I really like this beeswax. It's what I use for just about everything in the that goes in the house. It's just so easy to put on. I like the smell of it, and it's just my go-to finishing for interior woodworking. This board is a radiata pine. Here I put the left segment together, and I'm assembling the right segment and how they tie together. It was a lot of work to get to this point, and I was pretty excited to be at this point. My 2.5 pound dead blow hammer I don't think I can tap to the beat. Those splines I'm putting in right now have to go down 1/4 inch below the top of those ribs. Here we go. Let's see if it fits together. Ah, that's nice. The end has, the whole desk has these hooks for wires. nicely designed. Here's the shelving and how it looks underneath. And here's the top. That's maple veneer plywood, about 11 veneers of plywood, 3/4 inch, 18 millimeter, 15 square feet of desk per panel. So that's 30 square feet of desk and another some 20 square feet of shelving. Great addition to my workspace. Thanks for watching.